We had a meeting of NISI consultative meeting of NES, NISI legislature, Anya, ANSU, Agri Allied Federation, NACOS, and all others recently. Even in that consultative meeting, fourth consultative meeting, the issues raised by the Anya this time, alleging wild allegation on chief ministers in Pema Khandu, has been disowned by us, including the NES, and there is no iota of truth behind the allegation. The NISI legislature is very loud and clear in its view, intent that we are with the government led by Sri Pema Khandu. Any allegation leveled by Anya is baseless and is not related to the greater interests of NISI community. Therefore, NISI legislature have decided to disown the issues raised by Anya in totality. And 14 of the MLAs have given a signature supporting the government and also requested the Anya to withdraw the Ban call, and our resolution has been given, the copy of resolution has been given to NISI Elite Society yesterday. The copy of signed copies are here with us also. We had the four resolution. For your information, I'll read it out. The members unequivocally denounce the move of all NISI Youth Association for organizing undemocratic Ban call against the government to fulfill their illogical and illegitimate grievances, which is not related to the greater interest of NISI community. Number two, the NISI legislature desires that APEC organization of the community, the NISI Elite Society, effect a proactive role to prevail upon all NISI Youth Association to withdraw the Ban call. The House further urged upon the office of NISI Elite Society to de-recognize the incumbent Anya team led by Sri Byabang Joram if Para 2 above is not adhered to in line with the regulation adopted in the first consultative meeting of NES, NISI legislature, Anya, ANSU, etc., wherein it was agreed to channelize grievances through proper channel. In the event of failure to abide by our request as stated in para 1 to 3, the NISI legislature shall not be held responsible if the government take stern legal action against the enforcer of illegal and undemocratic Ban call as part of the law of the land. That was the 4-point resolution we adopted yesterday, and the copy has been handed over to NES for further course of action. और हम लोगों के on behalf of मैं एक इसी लेजिस्लेचर का कोऑर्डिनेटर का हिसाब से मैं एड्रेस कर रहा हूँ, और कुछ पूछना होगा तो मेंबर्स ओपन आप लोगों को आंसर देंगे, और इसमें कोई दो राय नहीं है। हम लोग का एक ही राय बनता है कि ये एलिगेशन, ये इश्यूज जो है NISI से रिलेटेड नहीं है, एंड हम लोग जो एल्डरली रोल कम्युनिटी प्ले कर रहे हैं अरुणाचल में, we are for pan Arunachal, we are for good governance, we are for good leadership under the leadership of the Pema Khandu. इसमें कोई सेकेंड थॉट नहीं है और बहुत ही अच्छा ढंग से सरकार चल रहा है। इसको चलने देने के लिए NISI MLA का तरफ से 2 इंच का भी डाउट नहीं है, हम आगे खड़ा है। और आन्या का जितना भी इश्यूज है ना सरकार से रिलेटेड है, ना कम्युनिटी से रिलेटेड, ना स्टेट का इंटरेस्ट में है, तो इस एलिगेशन को हम लोग वाइल्ड और एक बेकार का एक एलिगेशन मानता है। थैंक यू।